Greetings to another video. I'm back in the original setting. It feels ages since I've actually sat here and done a video. So today's video, I thought I would share my favourite cycling apps. That is why I'm a bit off to one side. I'm going to show, look at this side, yes. I'm going to show my favourite apps to use to do with cycling. So I reckon let's just get straight into it. These are the 6. I'm going to go through them individually. But yes, these are the 6. Strava, Komoot, 100 Climbs, Met Office, Zwift and Sufferfest. I wish there was a bit more of a suspense to it, but it's just, you've seen them now. So let's get on Strava. Strava, the first one, is basically the first app that I ever started using and I absolutely love it. It is just so good to find really good climbs. It's good for looking back on routes and connecting, I guess, with other people. So God, it's shown that I've not really done that much this week. I will be riding tomorrow. I have had a week off this week from riding, but I'm riding again tomorrow. So yeah, just really love Strava. If you're not on Strava, get on Strava. Follow me on there. It is at Katie Kookaburra. You'll find me. And I'm trying to think. I log pretty much every single ride that I do on Strava, so you can have a little look at me there. So that is the first, most basic, simple one, Strava. Next one is Komoot. I have worked with Komoot in the past and I just want to be like full disclosure. I have worked with them in the past. This is not any kind of paid sponsorship or any kind of, not paid me to say any of this. This is just genuinely my things that I love about this app. So let me come out and zoom out and see that. So you can't see exactly where I am. So yeah, for me, Komoot, how would I say it? It basically fills the void that I think Strava leaves. Strava is good for creating routes, I'd say up to like 100k. Anything more than that, it seems to struggle. And I find Komoot is the main things that I love about Komoot are the route planning. It tells you exactly kind of what road type the route that you've plotted is going to be on. So whether it's on-road, off-road, if it's like a cycle lane, if it's a canal path, it tells you those different types of road. And the other thing that I like about it is you can actually use it as navigation when you're riding. I did that because I kind of click it onto my phone. So if I'm ever kind of in somewhere and I'm like, oh, I need to get to this point, or if for whatever reason, like in the North Coast 500, we need to change the route, I did it on this. I can't really do that on my Garmin. The actual plotting things for me, I find on Garmin are not that good, but this does sync to Garmin, which I've only recently found out, so I absolutely love it. So okay, let's plan a new route. Let's choose on a map. So let's say I want to go from Leeds, start there, choose destination, choose on map. I want to go to Wetherby. And then it just comes up with it. It's perfect. So you get the distance, so this is the thing that I really like. You get cycleway, street, road, state road, type of surface, and then the elevation game, which I absolutely love. And you can just start the navigation and then put it on your bike and you're good to go. I really like that. I do really like Komoot a lot. I think it's a great app. I think the costing of it, I think it's either 20 or 30 pounds, like one-off fee, and you get world maps. You do get one free region. So yeah, that is the option for that. I just think for planning and for on-the-go navigation, Komoot is my favourite app for it. I just think it's brilliant. Next one, 100 Climbs. This is Simon Warren. I think it's Simon Warren. In fact, I've got his book right there. Yeah, Simon Warren. 100 Climbs. If you live in the UK, it is so good for finding, like, it's not all the best climbers, but generally it's a decent climb in the UK. It's on this list. So let me show you how it works. You might already know about it. So it's basically segregated up into different areas: Southwest, Southeast, Midlands, Yorkshire, Northeast, Scotland, Northwest. But like the bar's not updated on it. I have done it. I wonder why that is. Anyway, so it's got them all, and then the Northwest and Wales. So it's basically got the list of all the best climbs, but it's really, in fact, let's go on the lightning. I don't know why it's not picked that up. Bloody damn app! I'm trying to say how good you are, and you're not saying it's not ridden. I have ridden it. Anyway, so it just tells you like difficulty rating, distance, gradients, all the stats that you want to know if you're going to go and do a climb. So yeah, just a little fun app. I have got the book, it's just there, but it's just a link with that. I do like that app though. So if you're ever going somewhere new and you're like, I wonder if there's a really good climb near where we're going, or you can plan your route around one of these climbs. Another app that I like, the next one, the Met Office. A lot of people were asking actually what the app was that Richard was using when we were in Scotland. It was the Met Office, and actually it was pretty much bang on accurate, so I thought I would give it a little bit of a share. So what I like about this is I don't think it's that good for long distance, not long distance, like planning ahead like a week or something, but for the next few hours it's really good. So for example, there's not much rain to show you, but it'll show you like where the rain is passing, like the bands of weather coming through, which has been very helpful when we've been in Scotland. So yeah, that's that. I mean, there's not a lot to say about that, is there? It's just a weather app. It is a good, accurate weather app though. The next one is Zwift. I feel like with Zwift on the phone is Zwift Companion, but Zwift, oh hang on, it's saying I need to update it. Let me come back out. Zwift in winter is just everything to me. I absolutely love Zwift. If you've not tried it, you've got to have a go on it. Getting that and a smart trainer is one of the best things that I've ever done for like my fitness and also just for sanity in winter, but when you can't get out. One year I went out, it was wet, it was icy, I came off and hurt my wrist. Luckily I didn't break it, but I just won't take that risk anymore. Now I've got Zwift. So it's brilliant if you are stuck indoors or you're pushed for time. It's just brilliant for getting sessions in when it's cold or you don't have the time, like I just said. The last app is a Sufferfest. Again, full disclosure, I have done a video with them in the past on their yoga. But this is not any kind of sponsored video with them. I just really like the app and I wanted to share it with you. So the Sufferfest, I'm going to be blatantly honest, I have not used it for their cycling. The only thing that I've used it for is their yoga videos because it is absolutely incredible. So on here you can see there's literally, I think there's like 36 different videos. So you've like so many and they're all about 15 minutes long. I'm currently doing a 30-day workout challenge. Ice cream van again. If you watch all my videos, you'll know that ice cream van. Yeah, I'm doing a 30-day challenge because they've got a 30-day power-up challenge, as it says on the screen, and I'm really enjoying it. So they've got different, basically loads of different ones. So there's like improving posture. The ones I like are the hip like looseners basically, because I get really tight, like hamstrings, and not hamstrings. What am I talking about? Yeah, my hips get tight. And there's one for pre-ride activation, recovery, and then there's another one that I like called, I think it's Stretching After Suffering. Stretching After Suffering, yeah, that's really good if you've had a big day on the bike. Yeah, just a great app, and that is just one tiny part of it. There's also, I mean, I've not even really used any of these. There's strength stuff, mental toughness, and cycling. What I like about this app is that it's pretty much everything. That was the main thing that I loved about it, having yoga on there, is because it's looking at cycling as a whole rather than just the cycling, and I think it's just genius. I honestly think it's genius, and I think to have that many videos accessible is brilliant. And another thing that I really like about it is you can actually download them. Let me find one that I've saved. You can save them for offline use, so I've saved one when I've been away or been travelling and might not necessarily get Wi-Fi. I did it when I was in Scotland. So I basically got like that one with a green tick, I've just saved it for offline use. So yeah, they are my 6 favourite apps. If you want a little sneak peek at my other apps that I've got, I mean, these ones I still use, but just not as much. Like Audax is pretty good if you're in the UK. Windy app is just seeing how windy it is. Obviously Stages just to connect to my power meter, Training Peaks, and then Tax when I had a Tax Flux. But that is it. Those are the main 6 that I like: Strava, Komoot, 100 Climbs, Met Office, Zwift, and the Sufferfest. Let me know what your favourite apps, and yeah, let me know what you think to my favourite apps. That is it for this video. I will see you in the next one.